Hi guys, I am Afrin Ali. You can see I am explaining to the HVAC duct for today. This is HVAC duct. You can see this one. This is for FCU. We can use FCU for an AHU, and FHU. We can use these ducts also. This is a metal sheet with made by the metal sheets. If you want to see this one, the gauges. So this is a gauges item. This is available here. This is 26 gauge, and this is soffit made by the soffit company, and this is we installed to the for a air conditioning system. This is also duct. This one you can see in different sizes. One is inside and one is side. This is same ducts. I will be explaining to also the reducer, how after reducer we have to install in the ducts. This is a reducer in different sizes. You can see this reducer. This is also made by the, you can see this one, this reducer. This is also for a, this is, you can see here, this one also the 24 GE GA24, and this is a different size of different reducer. You have to, for example, this bigger duct will be here, bigger duct will be here, and the smaller duct will be installed to the here. So it will be fine. You do like that. See here, this one you have to connect the bigger side and after the smaller size. This is the elbow. If you are turn the ducts like that, so you have to put the one duct here and one duct here. This is elbow made by the metal socket, and you have to see this is also GA24 atom. This is also the duct. We call to the this duct is acoustic lining ducts. What is the acoustic lining ducts? I will tell you. This first we have to install the FCU here. FCU will be installed here, and then we have to install these parts and round ducts, and that the duct we already shown in the earlier. It will be connect to here, and then we put the reducer and anything. But this is a, I have to tell you, this is acoustic lining, because acoustic lining means when you connect the FCU in the front. So when you connect the FCU in front in this ducts, for example, FCU connector down and then this one, so air creating a sound. So that's why you can see inside here. This one is acoustic lining because there is the metal sheets with perforated metal sheets, and inside there is the cotton or clothes, very good clothes, so they will be reduce the sounds for this one. So this is also we call to the duct, acoustic lining ducts first. Before I will show you in next video to how I have to connect with this one. So this is a, this is supply plenum box. When the ducts branch will be go after flexible ducts, so we have to install this plenum boxes, and then we will be put the grill of the downs. So we have to say this plenum box with acoustic linings, because the sound of the air, so they reduce the sound. So what is the means of acoustic lining? If you see here, there is the cloth inside. You can see the clothes here. So clothes you can see easily, clothes here inside. So this is the acoustic lining. Thank you watching this video. I hope you will be learn much things regarding mechanical HVAC engineering. So if you like it, so comment me and like it. If you disagree with you dislike it and dislike my video, and comment it and subscribe my channels. Thank you. Afrin Ali. Bye bye.